Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laquelle if you're new. As you can see, we did this beat snatched face. I didn't really know what I was going to do. I just kind of went along with it, went with the flow. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. So, fresh face. So I'm going to start off with the brows. We got that first brow D. Okay, so since we have the brows done, I went ahead and concealed my brows. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade and I used my Chai Concealer to conceal my brows. Next, I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation, and this is in the color Warm Almond. You guys, I haven't used this foundation since Alaska. And because I forgot I have so much foundations. So I'm super excited because I haven't had this one and I forgot I had this foundation. Honestly, I really did. Like, yeah, I forgot. So then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques complexion blending brush or whatever. Yeah. I got my nails done today, y'all. I just went and got a fill and a polish change. Today's my last official day, like full day in Vegas. Tomorrow I have to catch a flight at 8 p.m. So I won't be here a full day, which it sucks, but gotta go back to work. I've been saying I want to find a job out here so bad. Like, oh my God, I want to find a job. I want to find a job. I don't want to be on the slope anymore. But then it's like, what it ain't broken, so why fix it? And it's like everybody who I tell I want a job in Vegas, they're all like, why? You make good money on the slope. Yeah, but my job that I do, it's not something that I want to be doing anymore. So it's like I just want to be happy, and living in Vegas full time will make me probably a lot happier than having to go back and forth to Alaska. But it's like when I go back to Alaska, I get to see my family. So that's the only, good thing out of it. I want to see my family, often, but it's like I also want to live my life, like I don't want to be having to travel back and forth, but from right now, it looks like I'll be staying on the slope for the next couple of months. In August, it will be 7 years of me on the slope. That's why I don't like beauty blenders. That's why I stopped using them, because they're just weird. That made my makeup look like cakey or something. Like, I wish I can do YouTube full time, and I know it's like doesn't everybody, but I know eventually my time will come. We just need to meet the threshold for the YouTube monetization. I finally made it to 100 subscribers, so it's working. I just have to keep progressing. So it's like I've been trying, but it's like it's hard. It's really hard, because it's like people do this for a living, and it's like I'm just doing it for fun because I like to create makeup videos. I like to do my makeup, and it's like I can do my makeup and record it. You know, people get paid to do YouTube full time. And it's like a lot of those people haven't even uploaded a video. They're just making money off of, you know, their prior videos. And it's like, hello. These two are my holy grails, okay? I left Shape Tape for these two. So chai and clove to contour. Warm up my face again. But yeah, everyone always tells me if it ain't broken, don't fix it. The slope makes good money, which it does, but it's just like the job I'm doing, I'm not happy at it. You know, like I'm comfortable with it because I've been there for so long on the slope. So it's like I'm comfortable with that, you know, field, which, you know, I'm not saying nothing's wrong with it, but it's just like I don't want to be doing that anymore. Like I see myself, I have better goals for myself, you know, and I don't want to stop here, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go on my Laura Mercier to set my under eye. I'm going to go in with this Joa Be My Everything Bronze and Blush palette. I got this from BeautyCon. So we're gonna go in with that dark shade. And just use it. So then I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to contour my nose. Concealer. I'm going to place two little dots on my nose. Going with my Urban Decay setting spray to set my face. For the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 350M palette. Go in with this orange for the crease. So then I'm going to go in with this brown right here. Actually, yeah, this brown right here. And I'm going to just pack that in the outer. This goldish brownish color on the lid. Okay. For highlight, I'm going to go in with this Kylie Cosmetics Skinny Duo. Looks like that. Go in dip, shorty dip. Then I'm going to go in with this Morphe M431 Bullet Brush. And I'm going to take that same highlighter and I'm just going to put that in the middle of my tear duct. just gonna put that under the eye. So I want to know, am I the only one who hasn't listened to Drake's CD? I haven't listened to it. I don't have the urge to either. Kiki, do you love me? That's why I don't want to listen to that CD. Because of that Kiki shit. Oh, this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Lash Primer. I'm just going to put these on my bottom lashes. Actually, the lashes I'm going to use are from the Makeup Shack. I don't know the lash name, so I can't tell you guys. There go that damn air conditioner kicking in. Goddamn. Every 2 minutes. It's so annoying. I know this video is kind of boring. Didn't really talk much. So now that we have the whole face done, I'm going to go do my hair and do my lips, and then I'll be back. Okay? Okay, so now that I have my hair done, I'm going to go in with my holy grail NYX. As you know, Club Hopper. You already know I was going to say the Club Hopper. So then I'm going to take my High Shine Lip Gloss. I got this from Forever 21. This is a pink, for real. So this concludes the video. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling every look I've been doing recently. Like something has been like giving me life. I don't know if it's like this whole setup or like me living in Vegas or what, but I mean every look, honey, I've been saucing it, you know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not already subscribed, and hit that bell button. I don't know what you're doing, but if you have, you're the MVP. Catch you guys next time. Yes. Just gonna sit here.